Welcome to the Slims Detailing IMI Accredited Master Detailer course. This video series will give you a comprehensive walkthrough of what to expect from the 3-day course experience. Day 1. And first things first, giving the vehicle a deep clean with a snow foam and going through the fundamentals of the 2-bucket method. Next, we head on down to the wheels, where you will learn about the bleeding effect and how to get all that dust and dirt off. We'll even go the extra mile and take those wheels off and give them a full wash inside and out. After all, it's all about the details. The third stage of the day is learning how to wield a clay bar properly. This stage is designed to get deep into the paintwork of the vehicle, removing impurities that aren't apparent to the naked eye. You'll be amazed at just how much this gets off. Whilst it may not seem like rocket science, there is an art to properly drying a vehicle. This stage will make sure your car is ready for the bodywork phases of the detailing process. Although you don't see it, the engine is the heart of any vehicle. So it's worth taking care of, getting into the places that just don't see the light of day. Now, it's finally time to get the vehicle inside our bespoke training academy, where we'll open the car up and start giving the interior a deep clean and protection. We know there are some swirl marks on this bonnet, but that's why you'll have to come back for the next video, where we will take you through day 2 of the course, where we show you how to polish like a pro. Please comment, like and subscribe for more detailing videos. See you next time, and remember, it's all about the details.